Most people think they are bad with money because they aren't good at math. But here's the truth. Personal finance is 20% head knowledge and 80% behavior. You don't need to be a Wall Street genius to be wealthy. You just need a system. Today, I'm giving you a 90-day financial reset. We're going to stop the leaks, automate your growth, and build a money map that actually works for your life. By the end of this video, you won't just have a plan, you'll have peace of mind. Let's get started. Phase 1, Weeks 1 to 2. The Financial Audit. Phase 1 is about facing the music. You can't reach a destination if you don't know where you're starting from. The 3-month rule. Go back through your last 90 days of bank statements. It sounds tedious, but it's the most important hour you'll spend this year. We're going to categorize every expense into 3 buckets. Number 1, the musts: housing, utilities, basic groceries. Number 2, the wants: dining out, Netflix, hobby gear. Number 3, the ghosts. These are the subscriptions you forgot about and the small $5 purchases that add up to hundreds. The action step. In week 2, your goal is to find the leak. If you find you're spending $400 a month on takeout, don't just feel guilty, fix it. Cutting just $100 a month and investing it can turn into over $200,000 over 30 years. That's the power of the audit. Phase 2, Weeks 3 to 4, building the wall and killing the vampires. Now that we've found the money, we need to protect it. Week 3 is about automation. We are going to remove willpower from the equation. Set up a transfer so that the moment your paycheck hits, 10% goes to a separate account before you can even see it. If you don't see it, you won't miss it. Week 4 is debt elimination. High-interest debt, like credit cards, is a wealth vampire. It sucks the life out of your future. The strategy: use the debt avalanche. List your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Attack the one with the highest rate with everything you've got, while paying minimums on the rest. Pro tip: call your credit card company. Tell them you're looking at balance transfer offers from other banks. Often, they will lower your APR just to keep you as a customer. Phase 3, Weeks 5 to 8, the growth engine. By week 5, we start building your security blanket. Aim for a $1,000 emergency fund. This isn't for a vacation. It's for when the car breaks down or the roof leaks. Once that's set, we move to investing in week 6. Many people are scared of the stock market because they think it's gambling. But day trading is gambling. Investing is owning. How to start? Don't try to pick the next big stock. Use an S&P 500 index fund. When you buy one share of this, you are buying a tiny piece of the 500 biggest, most successful companies in America. It's like owning the entire forest instead of trying to find the one tree that grows the tallest. Over time, the forest always grows. Phase 4, Weeks 9 to 12, the long game and stretch goals. We're entering the final month. Week 9 is about the credit card game. If you can't pay them off every month, use debit only. But if you have discipline, use cards for the points, the travel perks, and the fraud protection. Use the bank's money to pay for your next flight. Just don't let them charge you interest. Week 10, calculate your net worth. This is your financial scorecard. Net worth equals cash plus investments plus home value minus loans plus credit card debt. In week 12, we set stretch goals. Where do you want to be in 10 years? If you want to retire early, you need to know your number. Divide your goal into small monthly steps. A $50,000 goal sounds impossible. A $400 a month goal sounds like a plan. The Day 91 mindset. The hardest part of this 90-day journey is simply starting. Most people will watch this video and do nothing. But you aren't most people. You stayed until the end. This reset isn't just about numbers in a spreadsheet. It's about freedom. Your homework: go into your bank app right now and find one subscription to cancel. Just one. That is your day 1. If you're ready to take control, type "committed" in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into your financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one.